September ODHH message. The Office of the Deaf and Hard of Hearing, ODHH, has started a significant transition that began this spring. ODHH and Washington Advocates of Deaf and Hard of Hearing, WADHH, are transitioning case management services for the Vancouver, Washington, region over to the ODHH case management team. Led by Hope Crumley, Case Management Field Supervisor, Jonah Thompson. Case Management Team Lead, and supported by Zachary DeLoya, WADHH Executive Director. We are excited to work in collaboration with Zachary, says Hope. It is evident that the complexity of service needs has increased. While the number of clients requesting services has stayed consistent, the complexity of service needs has increased. Since 2013, the time spent with individual clients has quadrupled. This means case managers spend more time with each client to support and empower their needs. The WADHH Case Management and Client Service Contract in Vancouver, Washington, will end on September 30, 2023. ODHH will continue transitioning these services in the Vancouver, Washington, region to ODHH staff positions over the next several months. ODHH is proud to share that September is Deaf Awareness Month, an annual event that aims to celebrate and promote the culture, language, and achievements of deaf and hard of hearing people. Deaf Awareness Month also seeks to raise awareness of the challenges and barriers that deaf and hard of hearing people face daily, i.e., communication, education, employment, health care, and social isolation. Some of the activities that take place during this month include educational workshops and seminars on deaf history, culture, and sign language. Cultural events and performances by deaf artists, musicians, poets, and actors. Advocacy campaigns and rallies for deaf rights and accessibility. Community outreach and service projects to support deaf organizations and causes. Recognition and appreciation of deaf role models and leaders. Celebrating this month is an excellent opportunity to learn more about the deaf community and its diversity, richness, and societal contributions. One such event, Deaf Thrive, which has been on hiatus due to the public health emergency, is returning this year. The family-friendly festival, now in its 5th year and planned in collaboration with local and state agencies and organizations, is hosting a cookout on Saturday, September 9, 2023. From 1 to 6 p.m. at Magnuson Park, Hangar 30, 6310 New 74th St. Seattle, WA. For more information, go to www.defthrive.com. We are hosting a community meet and greet to introduce our services to the Tacoma community. Meet us at the Tacoma Public Library, Wheelock Branch, on Saturday, September 30, 2023. From 1 o'clock to 3 p.m., at 3722 North 26th Street, Tacoma, Washington 98407. All are welcome. Light refreshments will be available. Medicare Basics Workshops. We are hosting 2 online virtual workshops, Medicare Basics, to support individuals planning to enroll or change their Medicare plan when enrollment begins on October 15th. These workshops are on Thursday, September 21st from 6 to 7:30 p.m. and Saturday, September 23rd from 10 to 11:30 a.m. A 30-minute Q&A session for both events follows the 1-hour presentations. ASL interpreters and captioning are provided. If additional communication accommodations are needed, please contact Elizabeth Luttrell at elizabeth.luttrell@dshs.wa.gov or call 253-287-3852 by September 15th. These workshops are held in partnership with Statewide Health Insurance Benefits Advisors, SHIBA, a free, unbiased service from the Office of the Insurance Commissioner. Pre-registration on Zoom is required. Thursday, September 21st. 6 to 7:30 p.m. Saturday, September 23rd. 10 to 11:30 a.m. Employee Spotlight. This month's Employee Spotlight recognizes Suzanne Monella, Program Manager, who will have been with ODHH for 13 years on October 3, 2023. Suzanne is currently working with multiple organizations throughout the state to sponsor their events in honor of Deaf Awareness Month. Suzanne's logistics acumen serves us well as we coordinate events. We could not get things done without her, says Ernest Covington, 3, ODHH Director. As a public face for ODHH, she always works to put our office in a favorable light and communicates our work positively. Thank you, Susie, for doing all your fabulous work for ODHH. Suzanne passionately works to support client access and equality in residential and community settings. Suzanne collaborates and advocates with the HCS community and residential agencies to provide guidance and support for deaf, deafblind, and hard of hearing clients and residents.